Okay, hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create a snap PowerPoint that is the outlet point for the any specific basin or sub basin or maybe watershed, right? So for now, I'm going to show you how to create that snap PowerPoint. For that, you can just have go to your database and click right on it, then go to new, and you can create a feature class, and I'm going to name it as pour point, right? Once you create this pour point, name this pour point, you can give the alias the same thing so that it will be displayed at the same. Then you have to select the type of feature which will be point, and after that you can just click on next and select the processing system that is required based on the processing system that you have been working. If you are working in WGS, you can directly say select the WGS or any other processing system that you have been working. Then go to next. You don't need to change anything over here, just go to click on next, then click on finished. Once it is finished, you can see that our save file is created, and you can also see over here that the save file is created. So what we will do is we will just edit this save files. For that you have to sorry, you have to go to edit here. Over here in the top bar you have to go to edit, and you have to go over here and click on the create. Once you click on the create function will be activated, and you have to go and select the PowerPoint over here. And once you select it, you will see that the point can be drawn, right? So just zoom in to the stream network that you have created previously, and just go and click on which cell you want to fix it as a outlet. So I'm going to select here. Okay, great. If you want to use this data, then you have to go and save the data, and always once you save the data, then you have to stop editing. So you can just go and select any select button, and always check your attribute data. If you want to go for multiple points, you can always create multiple points depending on the size of the basin that you want to create. So yeah, there is one point that is created, so I'm just going to clear so that the selection will be lost. Okay, great. So this is the point. If you want to use this PowerPoint as an input for creating any watershed, you can directly use it, or you can do one more thing, that is converting this into a snap PowerPoint as a raster. So for that you have to go to geoprocessing tool. Okay, if you do not find the geoprocessing tool, you can always go to analysis, and under this analysis there is a tool. If you click here, the geoprocessing tool will be open, and you have to go to toolbox. Under the toolbox you go and search for special analyst. Okay, and under the special analyst you will find this hydrology, and under this hydrology you will find one very interesting tool, that is snap PowerPoint. So you are going to use snap PowerPoint. So what you will do is you will just go and uh, select this PowerPoint that you created just now. You can select the field if there is any multiple field that you want to use, and you can use this accumulation raster. You can use either accumulation raster or maybe stream raster, whatever you have. So I'm just simply going to use the stream accumulation raster for now. Okay, once you do that, then you go and give the specific name for your file. So I'm going to use snap PowerPoint. So since we are not using any snap distance for now, so we will just leave it 0 and just click on run. Once the function is completed, yeah, see, there is change in the color, right? So yeah, this is the point. I will just make this red. Oh, both are red, so let's just change to hello. Okay, so this is the snap PowerPoint. Okay, so what is this snap PowerPoint is, mm, this is the outlet point for all the area from where the water will be accumulated to that point. So this much of area, every area will be accumulating the water towards this point, and this point will have a huge amount of water and water sources, water information, right? So This snap PowerPoint is used for various purposes, and if you want to know about this snap PowerPoint, you can always go to the ArcGIS Pro documentation site, and it is under the special analyst and snap PowerPoints to the cell of highest flow accumulation within the specified distance. That means highest flow accumulation to that point, right? Great. So this is what the snap PowerPoint is. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later. Thank you so much.